a little bit of water coming in. Oh, okay. A lot of water coming in. We got a new face. Those of you who've been following know this is a 99 Eclipse. However, this bumper is not from a 99 Eclipse. This is from the pre-96, 95 models, I think. This is the facelift bumper. This is the bumper that should be on this car. And frankly, I think it looks a little bit better. Although this has grown on me a little bit, it kind of looks like it has a smiley face. But headlights don't fit it, and it's all kind of mangled, so we're gonna put it on this bad boy. And hopefully it's not too difficult. There should be 5 bolts holding up the middle of this bumper. Currently there's only 2. So hey, makes my job easier, I suppose. All right. Okay, front bumper is on. I don't know about you, but I think that looks so much better. Gotta get some fog lights, and yeah, let's finish putting the wheels back on. So this wheel is missing a lug nut. Oh, excuse me, not a lug nut. Well, it is missing a lug nut. It's missing a lug bolt entirely. So yeah, we gotta figure that out. That's an Eclipse right there. Baby steps, baby steps. All right, front wheels are on. Again, I don't know. I just don't. It might be the wheel gap that's throwing me off, but I don't know. But they'll do for now. They'll do for now. Front tires have tread on them. That's all that matters right now. That bumper does make a huge difference. It actually fits the headlights, and it's the proper like Eclipse look that you think of, you know? So she's getting there. Now these are gonna make a huge difference. Ta-da! New eyeballs, baby. I suck at operating a camera. I don't think you heard any of that because I didn't turn my fucking mic on. But I came to the horrible realization that it's been a rough day. That I think the radiator is clogged, and we have replaced pretty much every single other cooling component in this car. So why not, right? Just complete the cycle, right? Complete the cycle. So we dumped all the coolant out. Took the radiator out. It was actually pretty easy. I'm gonna go find a new one, see if I can get it today. Bang the new one back in. See if that fixes our issues, because she was still overheating. It's getting closer. It's getting better. It's really strange, but we're getting there. Let's go find a new radiator. Radiator secured. New radiator is going in. If this doesn't fix it, I'm gonna cry. Okay. Alright. Gotta put these little thingies on. Get her in there. Now, we can mount the radiator in position. Oh, Florida, you do test me, don't you? Now for this top hose. Okay. Now, to fill her up. Okay. Right. Hopefully, for the last time, we're gonna burp this cooling system and everything's gonna be okay. Of course. Why would the battery work? Of course the battery doesn't work. It's all okay. I'm fine. Everything is fine. It's going well. It's going well so far. But it has done in the past, so I don't wanna jinx it. Woo! Okay. We are officially doing full test number, I don't even know what number, but I'm thirsty. Ah. That is scorching hot. All right, cool. We have officially replaced every single cooling component that this vehicle has. I am exhausted. It is boiling. Let's do it. BKA, motherfucker. Something's going on with the brakes. I think the rotor's just shot. Doing really well, but yo, the speedo is going crazy. I think that's the battery. Yeah, I realized that the negative terminal is like deteriorating, so I got to replace that. But it's holding 10. We need a new exhaust desperately. That is terrible. We've officially made it further than we did when I tested it yesterday. Woo! Okay. I don't want to call it too soon. I think we are mechanically sound. It sounds so bad, but it's running great. Up to 50 now. Temperature's good. Wow, all that hassle because of probably a combination of the radiator and the air pockets. Oh, and the thermostat. And the thermostat housing, which I broke. A few different things, yeah. We have a huge exhaust leak. But that's not important right now, because it's holding temp. For the first time since I have bought this car, it is holding temperature. Oh, hello. My shoes are covered in coolant, so I'm sliding everywhere. There's a bunch of other kinks and stuff we got to figure out, but we did it. We did it. We figured it out. All we have to do is just replace every single cooling item. That's it. That's all you got to do. Aye. Thank you, Elias. I'm gonna make you cool. Again. We're gonna test out how she does in a car wash. Oh no. Right. Let's see. we get any leaks. Oh man. Doesn't make a difference. No water coming in. A little bit of water coming in. Little bit of water coming in. Oh, okay. A lot of water coming in. Yeah. That side too. Okay. Wasn't my best idea. Can't lie.